Hey guys, I'm gonna see if I can get this rock on the trailer. Just a rock that was here. I figured it'd look good with some flowers around it or some numbers on it for the house. I get tired of shoveling the ditch out, so this is the next logical move, I figure.
I like that. I was pretty excited when you told me what you found. How heavy do you think it is?
Heavy. Heavy as load yet, probably.
What are you building?
Yeah, just something to hold it up while I change my cable around. Okay. Yeah. You just balance that while I guess reposition that.
Not very easy to maneuver.
Nope. First rock we towed too, eh? Something like that's probably fucking mint.
That's exactly what you were going for.
Close.
Just didn't know. Oh, it's all coming apart.
It's the rock, bud.
You're crazy.
Hold the bike. Stop. Stop. You just back around up to this hog. Cut it the other way, bro. Huh? Roll back down and then cut it the other way. No, you didn't shift it, did you?
What?
Just back it up, bro.
Cut it this way?
Yeah. Okay, straighten it out. Keep her coming. Hit the rock. Okay, a little more. 4 inches. Another inch. Whoop. Okay, hold her there. Cut the wheels towards the bank. Woo!
Yep, that one's too heavy to hold.
Huh?
That one's too heavy to
Oh, it's
hold.
a little lighter now. Probably lift it on there now.
What is it?
Probably just lift it on now.
Oh, yeah. By the time we get it in place, it's not going to be big enough to hold the numbers.
This could be true. Okay. Plan B. Time for it.
thing's fighting you all the way now.
Oh, we already won now. We need to balance this, but you can just hold the big one for a second. Stand on the other side. You just balance there nice and easy.
Is that just a big chunk of cement you found?
It's a rock.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, put like some flowers or something around it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was a little bit of a mission to get that up, but it looks good. I wanted one of those for a really long time. Not really sure why, but now I have a flat rock at the front of the house. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, make sure you like our videos to help us grow, and thanks for stopping by MacCustoms. We'll see you in the next video.